Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to paste special and paste transpose directly in Google Spreadsheet. So first, just simply select the row that you want and right click on it. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and cut, or you can just simply go for copy. So in my case, let's say I'm going to go for cut. And after that, just simply select the row that you want to transpose and right click on it, and from here, just simply go for paste special. And after that, you should be able to see here transposed. And from here, as you can see, we should be able to have something like this. Just simply delete this one. And from there, you should be able to transpose it. There you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below and I will do my best to answer them all. And thanks for watching. See ya.